party people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm really excited because I was able to get my hands on the other collection that Long Hair Pretty Nails has with BTArtBox, and it's the Whispers of Glamour collection. So let's hop into the different shapes and sizes that I got. This here is the long almond, and again, absolutely love the packaging, very similar to the Autumn Muse collection that they have, and it is so pretty. And then I also got the short almond in this collection. If y'all missed my original unboxing video of the Autumn Muse collection, I am going to leave it linked down in the description box below, and this is actually 2 of the sets from that collection. I'm doing wear tests right now as per my audience's request. I'm doing a mini series on the first collection where I'm going to wear all of the nails in the box, and then use different application methods for each set that I do, as well as show you guys how to mix and match sets once towards the end when all of the sets have been used. And so definitely stay tuned to the channel. Reviews are coming soon of that. But yeah, I want to get into the other sets that she has in this collection. Again, I think she did a phenomenal job with the BTArtBox collection. The nails are all very pretty and long lasting so far, so let's hop into the different designs that she has for each one. So I'm going to start with the long almond. I actually thought that I had got the short oval. I actually thought that I got the long almond and short oval, but I ended up with the long almond and short almond, which is fine because I really like almond nails as well. So I'm gonna just pop this open really quick. We're gonna get into these designs, okay? I'm excited to have more nails from this collection because she did her thing with this collab, okay? So it does come obviously with the instructions. You guys want to go through and read it. It shows you all how to properly apply it. And then these here are the designs. How stinking cute, you guys. So each of these sets do come with 5 sets of nails. And then I know in this collection right here, I guess I'll just start with this one since it's stuck back here. It says nail glue only. So it does say that you can only apply this particular set of nails with nail glue. And I know typically when the nails are like fully opaque, not recommended to use nail glue. I mean the UV gel glue, but to be honest with you, I could still see my nail through this nail, and that's normally an indicator for me that it's okay to use gel to cure. I mean, the light will still be able to penetrate this nail and cure it, but per their recommendation, they say nail glue only. So if you all want to go by their recommendation, that's probably what I would suggest. But I personally would probably still try to apply these with gel, just because, like I said, you can still see the nail through it. So typically that lets you know that the light can penetrate through it. But per their recommendation, nail glue only. So this beautiful tortoiseshell design is in here. Absolutely love this French tip. You can never go wrong with a French tip. And then it has this this beautiful star on it. You all know these BTArtBox nails are really strong and well made, and these do come with that top coat on it, right? So you don't even have to worry about applying base and top coat after you apply these. And look how cute that design is. Oh my goodness, I love the design of these. And also, even though it's like medium almond, it's not long at all. So these are definitely still functional nails. That's really cute. Love that. So we got the French tips, and then we got the red French tips with the 3D nail art on it. It's actually very similar to one of the designs that is in her Autumn Muse collection. So this to give you an idea what it looks like square, and then this is what it would look like as a long almond. Absolutely beautiful in both shapes and sizes. And yeah, y'all, I like the design on this a lot. So I'm happy to have more of these in a different shape. So we got that one. Oh, this black French tip with polka dots is absolutely adorable as well. Look at that, y'all. That is so cute. And this is fun for this time of the year too. It's Halloween season, so some black Frenchies will be really right on time. Absolutely love that. Look how cute that is. Adorable. Okay, love that. That's so cute. Okay, and then the last one is a gold French tip with a gold chrome French tip, which again, you can never go wrong with a gold French tip. And this also is going to look really cute, elegant, and dainty, y'all. Look at that. So cute. Yeah, I love all the designs that have come in this set, and I'll be excited to try out some of these as well. I think my favorite one from this one will probably be the tortoiseshell one and the gold French tips, and then I think the French tips. I still like the red and the black French tip too. They all are cute, y'all. Just, she really does a really good job with these collections, coming out with the different designs and such, because they're all very wearable, you know. So, and these are really cool too, because you can mix and match all of these as well. So yeah, I'm excited to get some use out of these. So that's the first set here. Again, this was the medium almond. I think I had said long earlier. It's just medium almond. And then let's get into the short almond. Okay, so this here is what the short almond looks like. And again, packaging super cute. Love, love, love it. And then I'm gonna pop the bottom part open here like so. And this is for my short nail girlies. Super cute, super cute. So let's go through and look at each of these designs as well. So again, it's the same design. It has that French tip and then it has that gold 4-point star on it. And it's just a bit shorter in length. It's about the same size as the square nails. I've worn some of their almond press-ons before, and they, again, it all fits my nail bed perfectly. So these are some really cute designs. Oh my gosh, I love these, y'all. Yeah, these gonna be some cute nails. Okay, so we got that one. Again, we got that red French tip with the 3D, which is very similar to what I have on my left hand, but this is in the square shape and that's in the almond, so you guys kind of get an idea of what they look like side by side, but also super cute, very adorable. I am happy to have some more of these though. It's a cute design. This, I feel like, it's good for Christmas, good for Halloween, good for fall. Really, just like, red is timeless. You can always wear it any time of the year. Next up, we have these really cute shorties with the French tip almond with the polka dots. That is really, really cute too. Yeah, I like both of these collections. Like, it just gives you so many options to choose from. I mean, you got nail designs for days, you know? And then we got our gold French tip, which is also very gorgeous. And again, I absolutely love that these come with that top coat already built in. So you really just apply them and go. Like, I've had these nails on for over a week now, and and I did not apply base or top. So this is how they are wearing without any additional enhancements. And they are wearing very good, very strong. And again, I do have dedicated videos to these, so stay tuned to the channel because those are coming out soon. And again, this one is another one where it says nail glue only. But again, like I said, I can actually see my nail through this. So I would actually think that it would be okay to use gel, but per their recommendation, they say don't. So, take that off. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. Super cute. So this is from a short nail girlies. And honestly, the medium isn't that long either. The medium is very functional as well. So again, I'm happy to have both of these nails. I'm very happy to have both of these nail sets. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these away. I feel like these would be really cute to wear together as well if we want to do like a mismatch set. So yes. So those are all the nails that come in this particular set as well. And then BTArtBox was also kind enough to send me over their brush on nail glue. I only have their nail glue in like the little tube like this, and their nail glue is really strong and it lasts a really long time. So I was also happy to get this in the brush on glue form, because brush on glue just makes applying your press-ons a lot easier. So it says it's ultra bonding, and it says it bonds in just seconds. Obviously keep out of reach of children. So let me know if you all want to see me apply one of these sets using the nail glue. I'd probably go ahead and apply the tortoise set with it because, you know, they say nail glue only. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see on the channel. And again, definitely stay tuned. Like I said, I am doing a full wear test and review of all the press-on sets that came in her the Autumn Muse collection. So if you all are wanting to see that mini series, that mini press on nail series that's here on the channel, definitely stay tuned. If those videos aren't already out, they should be out here within the next week or so. I'm still doing the wear test on them, so I'm just trying to film it and make sure I do a nice thorough review for you guys. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Again, congratulations to Long Hair Pretty Nails, Miss Evie, with this collaboration. I think it's phenomenal. I think the nails are great, and I'm looking forward to trying even more of these designs, and even looking forward to more of the collections that you come out with them, because these are some of my favorite press-on nails. So congratulations to you, darling. And if you guys are wanting to get your hands on any of these products, I do have a discount code with BTArtBox. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. I also have a dedicated playlist for all things press-on nails, so I am going to also leave that link down in the description box below. I'll show you guys how to apply press-ons using different application methods, everything from acrylic to builder gel to rubber base to nail glue to sticky tabs, etc. You name it, I've done it. And yeah, I'll leave that link down below as well. And have you guys gotten her nails, and what are you thinking so far? I'm loving them so far. I think they hold up really good. They're high quality, and all the designs are super cute. So yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.